Weather forecasting, October 28th, 2002. Isobars. Isobars are lines that connect equal pressure. The numbers on the isobars mean how far the level is from sea pressure. The average isobar number is 1013. Isobar lines never touch. Isobar also create high and low pressure. Fronts. In northwest Washington, there is an occluded front. In Texas, Louisiana, Alabama, and Arkansas, there is a cold front. Off the east coast, there is a stationary front. As the warm air masses rise, it condenses and forms clouds. A warm front brings gentle rain, light snow, and followed by milder, colder weather. Where the warm front and cold front meet for a stationary front or occluded front, clouds and fog form. It may bring rain or snow. It can also bring many days of clouds and precipitation. Cold fronts bring showers, thunderstorms, clouds, and cold air. Air masses. An air mass is a big body of air that has the same temperature. Air masses are classified by temperature and humidity. Types of air masses are maritime polar, continental polar, and maritime polar again. This one is also continental polar. Maritime tropical, continental tropical, and maritime tropical. Continental tropical is warm or hot, dry, and sunny. Maritime tropical is humid, warm or hot, and sometimes sunny. Also sometimes cloudy or partly cloudy. Continental polar is sunny, and it's cold or cool and dry. Maritime polar has gray cloudy skies, cool or cold air, and it is humid. Temperature. In Southern California, there is a high of 78 degrees and a low of 57 degrees. In Texas, there is a high of 65 and a low of 60. In northern Wisconsin, there's a high of 37 and a low of 26. And in northern Maine, there's a high of 39 and a low of 32. Temperature patterns. The temperature in Maine and Wisconsin is almost the same because it has the same temperature pattern. This also happens in Texas to California. The reason that the temperature patterns swoop down is because the cold polar air is pushing it down from Canada and the North Pole. Pressure systems. In Montana, there is a low pressure system. It goes down into Wyoming and into North Dakota and South Dakota a little bit. There's also a low pressure system in Mississippi. It goes west into Texas, New Mexico, and Arizona. Low pressure systems bring stormy weather, cold air, and precipitation. There is a high pressure system off the east coast. There is also one in northern Michigan, and it goes into Wisconsin, but barely. Then it goes up into Canada. High pressure systems bring clear skies, warm air, and good weather. Precipitation. Precipitation forms by warm air hitting cold air, and then it condenses. That air rises up and then falls back down as precipitation. In Illinois, there's 0.12 inches of precipitation. In Arizona, there's 0.43 inches of precipitation. In Texas, there's 0.39 inches of precipitation, and in Oregon, there's 0.01 inches of precipitation.